So once you start feeding the fox, it comes back for more. Another point of attraction here in the region are the water mills near Eftimia Murgu. There are around 18 of them or so. I'm gonna visit a few of them, not gonna make a whole bunch of stops, but yeah, the nature around it, superb. And check out the gorge of the Rudaria River. Sounds really weird in English, Rudaria River, but yeah, spectacular. You can actually go by car here 1 kilometer, and then you can just kind of walk back towards the entrance to the village. And along the way in the gorge, a whole bunch of little waterfalls. Nothing grand, but just you know, a nice view. Beautiful, beautiful. Check this one out. And a lot of these mills are actually functional. They're making corn flour right there. Here we have a little complex of around 3 mills. Don't add the previous one, but yeah, let's go and check them out. Take some shots, and it's about time to head out. A quick little stop at Bohui Lake here on the way back to our accommodation. Found this lake based on our, the sayings of our taxi driver that took us back to Anina. Decided to stop. Probably gonna launch the drone a little bit, and then we'll see what else the day is gonna bring. And a little fox here along the way. We have seen some wild boars, some wild hogs, some deer, and now a fox. See how close we can get to it, or she's gonna run away. So once you start feeding the fox, it comes back for more. Mai adu-i un pic de pizza, mă. Rupe. Let's see. Will the fox eat pizza? No, don't throw it. Hai înapoi. Hai.
Da.
This fox doesn't eat grapes. This fox eats pizza.
Pizza nu-ți place?
Nu, e că covrigi mănâncă, dar pizza, mă gândesc.
Poate de aia picantă. Știu, știu. Ia.
Da, nu, elefanții și girafe.
La moneta. Stai de iubire.
Da,
Dar stai, dau din ori, făcut și odată din liber.
Uite-mă cât de aproape, băieților.
Ei, auzi-mă că te pleci cu oamenii.
And made a little quick stop at the Fortified Monastery of Tismana, which looks like it's, well, completely under renovation. But yeah, let's go inside. Well, pretty much the complex is under renovation. Everything was scraped and they're gonna put a new facade, what it looks like. But yeah, some of the intriguing paintings here on the walls. Yeah, I haven't seen the devil in too many churches, monasteries, but yeah. A quick view around the church. Putting an end to this episode. Thanks again for tuning in. If you have made it so far into the video, definitely give it a like, share, subscribe, whatever you think this video deserves. It was a mix of a whole bunch of things today, but in the end, a great day without any doubt. Gratitude should be the only attitude. Stay humble, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.